Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I will tell you about the importance of adding detailed description to your YouTube videos. So why is that important? Because I have noticed once I started analyzing my backlinks that I have a lot of links from other blogs and other articles that publish my YouTube videos, and also the description and the links within the description. So here is the video I have created a few years ago. This was my old business. So I have created a tutorial on how to add a collapsible menu, drop-down menu to your Shopify store. So this is a featured image they used, and I think they landed on a homepage, because this is the screenshot and this is the actual video. And here you go. Here's the description that I have created. So I don't create descriptions to all videos, but this actually worked, and this blog post looks really nice. I like it. And here's the step-by-step tutorial how to do it. So I think this is the main reason, or this is the additional reason why they decided to share this video on their blog, because it comes with a helpful step-by-step tutorial for someone who prefers reading. So that's why they shared it, because it obviously saved them to write a description themselves, and they were nice enough to keep the original link, so obviously to my website, to my social media channels. So this is definitely a great way of earning additional backlinks to your website, because this is a backlink from a domain from the website with a domain authority higher than mine. So mine is 21, and this is linked from 31 domain, which is nice. And page authority is 23 though. So this is really good and organic way of earning good quality backlinks. So keep adding new content, keep adding new videos, and remember about writing unique descriptions for all your videos, at least 100 and 200 words. Also include your links as well. So this was a video by Rock Paper Copy. If you liked it, please make sure to click like, please subscribe to more SEO and backlink building tips, and I will see you at the next video. Bye bye.